Hi guys, this is Coach Green Gene. I just wanted to let you guys know that we had an amazing time at our last 3H Pre-Apprenticeship Workshop. And I'm here to tell you why we do what we do. You see, we desire to change the narrative on the negative stigma that's placed on working with your hands. You see, we believe that no matter the career choice, the next generation of professional needs head, heart, hand connections into the world in order to build a sustainable legacy. This is what we mean by restoring the dignity of labor. More than status, a solid career choice is based in making a positive impact into future generations. If you have a young person between the ages of 12 and 17, join us at our next 3H Pre-Apprenticeship Workshop, which is Saturday, October 26, 2019. We'd love to have them. And please assist us in restoring the dignity of labor. Goodbye.